Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm sharing the first tutorial in my Rabbit Garden Quiet book series. In this video tutorial, we'll be working on this page, which tells two different parts of the story. On the front, we'll create the right side of Mr. McGregor's garden. And on the back, we'll discover the cozy rabbit burrow hidden beneath the roots. So without further ado, follow along with me, and let's get started. Load the file Mr. McGregor's garden page left onto your embroidery machine and stitch color number 1 directly onto the stabilizer. Place a piece of blue sky felt over the placement lines and stitch color number 2. Then, place a piece of felt over the placement lines and stitch color number 3. Then trim away the excess felt. Continue using the same applique process and stitch all the page features through colors number 4 to number 12. Remove the project from the hoop and trim only the excess stabilizer. Do not trim the excess felt, as it will be used later to align this page with the back cover page. Make a small cut in the garden floor area to insert the veggies. Then, make another cut to create an opening between the right side of the house and the floor. Apply a snap between the pair of shoes and attach the scarecrow you made previously. Set your work aside for later use. Load the file Rabbit Burrow back page onto your embroidery machine and stitch color number 1 directly onto the stabilizer. Place a piece of felt over the placement lines and stitch color number 2. Then trim the felt excess. Stitch color number 3. Place a piece of felt over the placement lines, making sure they are completely covered. And continue with thread color changing to complete colors number 3 to number 6. Next, trim away the excess felt around the entrance to the burrow. Continue stitching, changing thread colors as needed, and adding the applique pieces and page details as instructed by the design, until colors number 7 through number 18 have been completed. Then remove the hoop from the machine and place it onto a felt mat or something where you can insert pins. Next, take the garden page you made previously and align it onto the back of the page hooped, inserting pins on different points along the seam lines. Once aligned, secure with tape and remove the pins. Return the hoop to the embroidery machine and stitch color number 19. Remove your project from the hoop and trim away all excess felt and stabilizer. Then carefully cut along the inside of the basket to create a pocket and place the carrots felties inside. And that's it. We have successfully completed this page of our Rabbit Garden Quiet book series. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next pages in the series. And let me know in the comments, would you like to see a final page with the rabbit's cozy little beds inside the burrow? I'll see you in the next video. Happy stitching!